Halo teman-teman, balik lagi di channel ini. Balik lagi, kita jalanin lagi perjalanan kita untuk mendapatkan game Genshin Impact nih teman-teman. So, bagi kalian yang suka dengan video-video yang seperti ini, please like, comment, dan subscribe channel ini agar channel ini terus berkembang dan gue bisa menamatkan game-game yang lainnya juga nih teman-teman. So, tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi, langsung aja kita mulai lagi perjalanannya nih teman-teman. Nah, gimana nih teman-teman kabar kalian? Semoga gue doakan kita semua sukses selalu, rezeki kita lancar terus, dan di tahun ini akan jadi cerita yang wangi nih bagi kita ke depannya nih teman-teman. Jangan pada semangat, tetap struggling, tetap berjuang, karena gue yakin kalau misalkan progres itulah yang penting nih teman-teman. Jadi yang penting itu adalah progresnya, bukan hasilnya teman-teman. Jadi tetap percaya diri, tetap lakuin apa yang kalian mau, percaya terus, gue yakin kita bakal sukses oke teman-teman. So, terakhir itu kita sudah selesaikan Mondstadt nih teman-teman. Jadi kita disuruh ke Liyue, tapi Liyue ini gue harus sampai ke rank 23. Nah sebelumnya gue tadi lihat, gue ngecek, ternyata gue ada story quest nih. Jadi kita mainin dulu story questnya, baru nanti habis itu kita ke Liyue teman-teman. Selain itu teman-teman, gue sempat nge-grinding, dan nge-grindingnya sudah sampai adventure rank 22. Maka dari itu gue bikin video lagi, gue lanjutin lagi ceritanya karena gue dapet quest lagi yang baru. So kita langsung straight ke sana aja supaya kita mempersingkat waktu nih teman-teman. Takutnya nanti kelamaan kan, atau jadinya membosankan. Ini apa? Seperti biasa, moto gue di channel ini, kita harus tetap ngelut. So I'm sure you're aware with physical test. Oke. Nah, quest-quest kayak gini kita ambilin aja, oke. Karena dia itu membantu kita untuk naikin AR kita nih teman-teman. So, langsung kita masuk. Ini kayaknya cerita tentang Diluc nih. Soalnya Diluc belum ada story questnya kan, seingat gue ya. Bentar ya, kita lihat dulu nih.
So, you've got a taste for adventure too, huh? I must say, the patrons have been in a bit of a buzz lately. Though the topic on everyone's lips is more of an urban legend than actual news. Even minding my own business, I still end up hearing all about it.
Uh-oh. It's not one of those scary urban legends, is it? If so, Paimon needs to take a deep breath first.
It's not a particularly scary story, no. At least, not for most people. It's the tale of the Dark Knight Hero.
Huh? Did the bartender just say something?
You weren't even listening? Anyway, the Dark Knight Hero. It is said that he appears in the middle of the night to fight evil and uphold justice. But to be honest, I don't have much interest in such rumors. Unless, of course, he can help take care of the more belligerent patrons after they've had a few too many. I would happily take that as proof of his existence. I'm told that there have been a handful of sightings, but in the depths of night, no one can get a good look at him. Perhaps that's why he only appears at night. Nevertheless, the sightings confirm that the Dark Knight Hero is more than just a groundless rumor. Anyway, that's more or less everything I know. If you want to know more, ask around in the plaza. I need to serve some customers.
Dark Knight Hero. Seems like your standard cookie-cutter urban legend. But just a little darker. Wonder who it could be. Once you're ready, let's head out to the plaza and ask around.
Oke, langsung aja. Salah. Gue mau keluar malah kepencet itu apa namanya, communication sama orang lain. Jadi terakhir itu kita udah lawan Storm Terror nih teman-teman. Kalau kalian mau tahu tentang dari awalnya gimana, kalian cek lagi video ini sebelumnya ya. Jadi Storm Terror itu adalah naga yang seharusnya itu melindungi si Mondstadt nih, jadi kota yang lagi kita datengin sekarang nih. Coba kita lihat Margaret.
You want to find out about the Dark Knight hero? Look no further. It's me. I am the Dark Knight hero. You're right, I'm not. I was joking. Jokes aside, I do think that the Dark Knight hero and I have one thing in common.
What's that?
It's the way he sticks to his principles. Coming out here night after night, fighting for justice, keeping Mondstadt safe.
Wow, so you're a nocturnal vigilante too?
No, I just mean he must be seriously rich.
Why is that?
People only start worrying about spiritual fulfillment once they have enough material wealth. It's the same in every hero story, isn't it? No, it's nothing like that. I just have too much time on my hands these days.
Same difference. You are the boss of the Cat's Tail after all.
Why don't you ask the guards at the city gate? They do night shifts all the time. They must know something.
Oke, jadi kita disuruh nanya ini si Night yang ada di depan ini nih teman-teman. Gue nungguin sampai di channel ini nih, apa sampai di ART 23 supaya gue bisa ngajarin lagi chapter yang pertama. Oke, dia nggak tahu.
You want to know about him? In fact, I'm one of the few who has seen him with my own two eyes.
Great! This is the guy we need to talk to. So, just who is the Dark Knight hero?
Whoa, slow down. Let me start from the beginning. Well, I was patrolling one night when suddenly I heard something. I rushed over to check it out. I saw a gang of suspicious-looking fellows who looked like they were up to no good. So I quickly hid.
Hid? You're supposed to be a guard.
That was when he appeared. He was dressed in black from head to toe, perfectly hidden in the night. The way he crept up on those bad guys must have felt like a living nightmare.
Wow.
Guess what I did next? I wasn't the bad guy. Why would I need to run away? Still, I did leave the scene. I didn't want to be a nuisance to the Dark Knight hero. So instead, I headed to the Knights of Favonius's residence. Correct. I thought surely someone with such a strong sense of justice and who voluntarily protects Mondstadt is exactly the kind of person you'd find in the Knights of Favonius. But it seems I was wrong. I checked everywhere, and there were no signs of anyone having left the building.
So you're saying whoever it is can't be from the Knights of Avonius after all?
Yes. But I just can't understand. Why would someone like that not want to join the Knights? I'm sure they would warmly welcome someone of his abilities.
So, the point you're trying to make is you don't know who the Dark Knight hero is either?
Hey, don't be like that. At least by talking to me, you've ruled out a few more people. Anyway, try asking at the flower shop. I heard a girl there's been talking about the time you rescued her.
Dark Knight Hero ya. Gua inget jadinya satu karakter dari DC yang kalian masih tahu kan, The Dark Knight. The Dark Knight. Yang selalu ngomongin I am Batman gitu loh. Gak jangan The Batman lagi. Apa Genshin ini sama DC? Collab.
What's wrong with me? Why can't I get him out of my mind?
about the Dark Knight hero.
My hero! Oh, sorry. Just hearing his name gets me lost in thought. Hang on, how did you know who I was talking about? Is it that obvious? Oh no, what am I going to do if Master Diluc ever finds out?
Huh? What's Diluc got to do with this?
Well, I guess I might as well spill the beans then. I used to think Diluc was the one for me, but ever since the time I was rescued by the Dark Knight hero, I just don't know anymore.
Wowee! You saw the Dark Knight hero? For real? What's he like?
It all happened so fast. I was so scared. All I remember is seeing a flash of fire, but I felt safe. I only saw his silhouette, but it felt so familiar. Perhaps it was, when you meet someone and it feels like you've known them your whole life.
Okay then. Well, thanks for the intel, Donna. See you around. So, based on what we know so far, all we need to do is find a wealthy, vision-wielding vigilante who's not one of the knights. No, but we already asked so many people. Guess we gotta see for ourselves. Let's take a look around the city at nighttime. If we're lucky, we just might bump into him. It's getting dark. Let's stick around Mondstadt. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll meet the Dark Knight hero.
Donna ini, dia salah satu cewek kelihatannya bisa dibodohin ya teman-teman.
The Dark Knight hero is Master Diluc?
After managing to steer clear of the guard's patrol route, I never anticipated I'd run into you instead. Dark Knight hero? Sounds awfully derivative to me. Please tell me you didn't come up with that.
How is this the first you've heard of the name? Every man and his dog in Mondstadt is yapping about the Dark Knight hero.
I do not concern myself with idle chatter. Though, I suppose I may take the idleness of others as a sign that peace prevails.
Huzzah! The great mystery of the Dark Knight hero of Mondstadt. We solved it. Now then, Mr. Dark Knight hero.
Please stop calling me that. Seriously, it makes me uncomfortable.
Not surprised. It's the stupidest superhero name Paimon's ever heard. You should come up with something more original. Like, Captain
Pie?
Captain Pyro! Tell us, Captain Pyro, what happened here today?
It was the Abyss Order.
Them again?
I don't know what the devil they're plotting this time. It seems they're performing some initial reconnaissance. Considering that I've proven myself to be one step ahead of them on countless occasions, their persistence is unusual. I assume so, unless you're aware of any other Dark Knight heroes around these parts. The Knights are, for the most part, an utterly incompetent bunch. I cannot trust them to take this matter over. What's past is past. I would prefer not to discuss it. Well, I hope this conversation has been of service to you. Because I would like to ask for a favor in return.
Oh? What is it, Master Diluc? Your wish is our command!
You must keep my identity a secret. Above all, it is crucial that you do not let the Knights of Favonius know I am connected to any of this.
What's that sound?
They appear to just be small-timers. You should have no trouble dealing with them. I cannot afford delays on account of a few lackeys. I shall have to let you take care of them. Remember, don't tell a soul.
Hey, you're just gonna leave us like this?
Come a little closer. Blitz.
As a dutiful maid would.
Let's spark things up a little. You're in for a little shock.
Terra Smash!
Greetings. I thought I heard something, so I came to check it out. Did you see anything out of the ordinary?
Nope. Nuh-uh. Not here. Nothing. Zilch. Unless you're looking for the Dark Knight Hero, in which case...
The Dark Knight Hero? You saw him?
Oh, the Dark Knight Hero is, him!
You! The hero who safeguards Mondstadt from the shadows. On behalf of the Knights of Favonius, I thank you for your service to this city.
It's nothing. Really, you're too kind.
Wait a second. Aren't you the traveler that just arrived in the city? Rumors were circulating about the Dark Knight Hero long before you ever arrived here.
Oh,
Why would you lie to me about that? Never mind. You don't seem like bad folks. But I do hope you will visit the Knights of Favonius soon, where we can discuss the Dark Knight Hero situation in more detail. Some things are best not discussed in public. Duty calls. I must be going. Stay safe, traveler.
Oke, jadi The
seems like
Dark
Huffman
Knight
has
Hero
something
itu
he really
ternyata
wants to say to you about
look
the Dark Knight Hero. Better head over to the Knights of Favonius and see if you can find him.
Ya, so teman-teman, kemarin itu gue udah grinding kan. Nah, ternyata pada saat gue sampai di daerah Liyue bagian sini itu Stone Gate, ya kan. Nah, di sini ternyata gue bisa, jadi karakter kita itu bisa resonansi nih. Nah, gue itu sudah mengubah elemen gue menjadi elemen tanah nih, teman-teman. Kalau Mondstadt itu adalah City of Freedom, jadi Anemo City. Jadi gue kalau di Mondstadt gue bisa resonansi lagi jadi angin. Tapi kalau gue di Liyue itu gue bisa resonansi jadi Geo nih, tanah nih teman-teman. Ya sekarang jadi gue pakai elemen tanah. Dan gue yakin berarti kalau seperti ini di setiap city yang kita kunjungin atau kota yang kita kunjungin itu, oh salah gue. Kita bisa resonansi sama elemen-elemennya, tergantung Arkon mana yang lagi kita jalanin questnya ya teman-teman.
Huffman!
Oh, it's you two. Thank you for coming. So, the Dark Knight Hero. Do you have anything else you're able to share with me? Ah, yes, of course I should fill you in first. Apologies for my appalling lapse of etiquette. The situation is... Here, take a look at this.
Jeez, what horrible handwriting. Let me take a closer look. Huh?
Indeed. Although this is written in the common tongue, it appears that a cipher has been used in many places. Nevertheless, one can grasp the general message from the non-ciphered portions alone. This is a war declaration from the Abyss Order to the Dark Knight Hero.
Does that mean the bad guys want the Dark Knight Hero to go away forever and ever?
Something like that. Thus, we are hoping to contact him as soon as possible so that we can attempt to coordinate a response. After all, this matter no longer concerns merely the Dark Knight hero himself. It impacts the entire city of Mondstadt. If you find out anything at all, come and find me.
Kita harus kasih tahu
A
Diluc
war
dulu ya.
declaration sent by the Abyss Order. This is not good news at all for Master Diluc. Quick, we should go tell him right away.
So bener kan tadi yang gue bilang, kemungkinan besar nih story questnya tentang Diluc, karena Diluc itu belum ada story questnya teman-teman. Jadi kita langsung ke sini aja. Nah, kan tadi kan gue udah bilang kan, jadi gimana caranya supaya gue bisa resonansi ini teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian ke Statue of Seven ini, terus kalian itu misalkan gue worship dulu bentar ya. Terus apa namanya? Nah ini ada pilihan untuk resonate with Anemo gitu loh. Nah karena kemarin gue di Liyue, gue ada resonate with si Geo. Jadi kalau kalian pencet, kalian dapat blessing. Nah terus elemen gue berubah. Nah sama halnya kalau gue nanti ke Liyue, gue juga bisa ngerubah kayak gitu nih teman-teman. Ini harus gue ambil karena ini buat naikin karakter kita. Dan gue dapat ini bisa lihat kamera nih teman-teman. Jadi gue usah pakai menu lagi, gue langsung bisa pencet kamera itu dan kita bisa langsung foto nih. Lumayan kan buat thumbnail loh. Gue suka sih sama, maksudnya environmentalnya Genshin ini menurut gue cakep sih. Untuk game gratisan sih. Jadi entah kenapa mungkin di setiap video gue akan bilang bagus ya, karena sejujurnya ya kalian bisa mainin game gratis kayak gini tapi bagus gitu loh. Ini ada quest lagi. Itu side quest ya. Di sini side questnya banyak nih teman-teman. Teman itu membantu kita untuk naikin AR. Jadi kalau misalkan nggak bisa naikin AR, gue nggak bisa ngelakuin Archon quest masalahnya.
Master Diluc! Just now, we were at the Knights of Avonius, and...
I take it you're about to inform me of the war declaration from the Abyss Order. I'm aware of it. Though I appreciate you for taking the trouble to come all this way.
What?
The Dawn Winery's intelligence network extends beyond commercial matters.
Great! So, what's the plan, Master Diluc?
I'm open to suggestions. No. That would be playing right into the hands of the Abyss Order. They know full well that we don't exactly see eye to eye. They're using this as a means to force me into making an appearance. If my identity were exposed, all my future activities would be subject to some degree of interference from the Knights. After all, no powerful organization wishes to be outdone by someone from the outside.
Woo! The Abyss Order has really dealt you a tough hand this time.
There is a way. But for it to work, I need some more information. Specifically, I need to decipher the obscured portions of the Abyss Order's war declaration.
Obscured portions? You mean the bits Paimon can't read?
It must be a cipher only understood by members of the Abyss Order, used to spread messages within the organization. It's not simply a war declaration, but also a notification to their own. When you take a stand that makes you a hero to one party, you also become a villain to the other. And since I've been the Abyss Order's enemy for so long, they've made me the target around which they can rally their troops and unite their strength.
Wow! Seems like it takes a lot of brains to be a superhero, huh?
I understand my enemy well, is all. As the saying goes, heroes and villains are two sides of the same coin.
So what are we gonna do about the intel that's written in gibberish then? How do we un-gibberishify it?
Simple. When you don't understand something, you ask. I've already tracked down one of their strongholds. If you're interested, feel free to come along.
Gas, jadi kita harus ngalahin si Abyss Order lagi. Gue masih bingung dengan Abyss Order itu apa, karena yang gue tahu princessnya dia itu adalah Lumin, yang dimana notabene adalah twin kita, kembaran kita nih teman-teman. Nah, gue mainin ini waktu awal, taunya itu kita tujuan mainin ini itu mencari Lumin. Ternyata Luminnya itu musuh kita. Temple of Lion, oke. Kita teleport aja, gue udah buka. Jadi gue masih belum tahu nih maksudnya kenapa. Maksudnya waktu itu Lumin pertama kali diculik, ternyata di join dengan Abyss Order. Jadi gue gak tahu itu masuknya di mana tuh.
This is the place. Abandoned ruins like these are precisely the kind of place the Abyss Order likes to camp out. Come on, there's no time to lose.
Oke, kita harus mainin lagi. Gue pengen dapetin Diluc gitu loh, gimana caranya? Ya Diluc cakep gitu rasanya. Kemungkinan besar kita pakai Diluc, makanya gue nggak pakai elemen api. Padahal tadi ada rekomendasi untuk pakai elemen api ya. Cuman nggak gue pakai karena, kan? Gue yakin gue pakai Diluc. Karena ini story tentang Diluc, jadi kemungkinan besar kita akan pakai Diluc nih. Enak juga ya saudara Diluc ya. Cuman gue lihat dari archive oke, cabut dulu.
Come a little
Kasih
closer.
sedikit.
Witness the power of Gawa.
Tapi Diluc nih mukanya kayak muka orang baru bangun tidur gitu ya. Lucu juga ya. Itu biasa mulut terus, mulut lagi. Tuh. Coba kita.
Retribution!
Hei, santai bos. Santai bos.
Time to clean up.
Noel juga enak banget emang. Dan ini kan gue tadi lihat kita tinggal 5 jam lagi nih teman-teman. Dan kita cuma butuh sampai 640. Dan tuh gue yakin gue bisa ngambil di akhir video ini. So di akhir video ini kemungkinan besar gue akan gacha lagi buat ngambil si banner itu aja sebenarnya. Nah, ini lama.
Try not to enjoy this too much.
Terus gue akan lempar ini.
With the wind!
Di sini bakal oke. Ntar dulu teman-teman. Jangan lupa kita harus apa? Kita wajib ngeloot. Karena itu yang paling penting di game gacha seperti ini. Looting ya teman-teman. Game ini seru teman-teman, jadi kalau kalian emang pengen mainin, kalian bisa downloadin gratis. Kalau gue lagi main di Android nih teman-teman. Yang gue pakai device gue adalah Xiaomi Mi Pad 6. Dan ya seperti yang kalian lihat sendiri, Xiaomi Pad 6 kuat ya teman-teman. Dan gue yakin nanti kalau kalian memang punya device yang bagus juga, kalian bisa main ini. So, game ini gratis. Kalian tinggal download aja di Play Store. Ini tersedia juga di iOS, jadi kalau kalian punya iPhone jangan bingung, karena kalian bisa mainin juga. Oh, ini alat juga ya katanya. Kalian juga bisa mainin ini di PC, PS5, PS4 nih teman-teman, sama Xbox X dan S. Di mana? Wow.
Rain cutter.
As a good knight should, I must leave no stone unturned.
Wah, dia alot banget loh. Lalu karakter gue udah 40. Apa kamu kan?
Rain outlines your fate.
Sama apa aja kan?
Windblade!
How did you find me here, Favonian scum?
I am no knight of Favonius. Now start talking. Your plan. What is it?
I see you received our letter. But if you think I'm going to let you in on our secrets, I'm afraid you're quite mistaken.
You appear to have misunderstood the situation you're in.
Did you just use a pyrovision to shoot fire from your hands? Ah, it burns!
Let's see how long it takes for you to crack.
Stop! Stop! Please! Pain! I beg you! Make it stop! I'll talk. I'll talk. Ow, ow, ow! Please! Stop! I'll tell you everything. Disorder. We've amassed a force bound by a shared hatred for the Dark Knight hero. They will march on the Mondstadt city gates at 10 p.m. tomorrow night. That's everything I know. Please, don't make me suffer those flames again.
That's it? Well, I doubt you'd be foolish enough to keep anything else hidden.
So, udah selesai? Seperti biasa, kita ambilin chestnya. Oke, Diluc nih enak juga ya. Dan gue cek emang dia tuh karakter bintang 5 nih teman-teman. Ya, jadi jelas enak. Dan gue bagi teman-teman yang nonton video ini, please kalau kalian emang punya tips and trick tentang cara bermain Genshin Impact yang baik dan benar, cara gue grinding yang cepat, kalian tulis ya.
Now that I
Komen di
have the
bawah ya.
information I need, I must prepare. I would be grateful if you could keep me updated on how the Knights of Favonius respond to this matter.
Yes, Master Diluc, sir. Anything you say, Master Diluc, sir.
Why are you acting so strange all of a sudden?
In light of what just went down here a moment ago, Master Diluc has officially reached #1 on Paimon's People Not to Tick Off Under Any Circumstances list.
So kita harus ke Huffman lagi untuk ngasih tahu tentang info yang tadi baru kita dapat ya. Baik lagi kalian, kalau teman-teman punya tips and trick cara bermain Genshin Impact, cara gue grinding yang cepat, gimana caranya, please kalian komen di video-video gue ya. Nanti gue akan bermain dengan tips and trick kalian nih teman-teman. Atau ada secret chest kah, atau ada apapun itu yang bisa gue mainin, akan gue mainin.
If we do not make contact with the Dark Knight hero soon... Ah, it's you two. I must admit, this issue of the Dark Knight hero is proving to be something of a headache. We've just held a meeting to decide on an appropriate course of action. Can you guess what it is? No, that would send a signal that the Knights are in favor of the Dark Knight's hero's continued presence in our city, which we are not. Encouraging this kind of individual heroism undermines the Knight's authority.
Oh, well, what's the plan then?
Find out the Dark Knight Hero's true identity and offer him our protection.
Protection? He seems to be doing just fine without your protection so far, you know.
Well, since you've aided the Knights in the past, I might as well just tell you. The offer of protection is just a ruse in order for the Knights of Favonius to take over full and exclusive responsibility for this matter.
You aren't gonna let the Dark Knight hero be all heroic and stuff? Why not?
Firstly, to show the might of the Knights of Favonius, to prove to the people that without the Dark Knight hero, they can still rely on the Knights to maintain peace and harmony. Secondly, the Abyss Order have no mercy in their hearts. If anything happened to the Dark Knight hero, it would only serve to further their nefarious ambitions.
Gosh, Paimon never knew the life of a knight involved so much untold anguish before.
But none of this will work if we don't establish the Dark Knight hero's true identity in time.
There's no need to despair, Huffman. Just follow my plan, and everything will be fine.
Captain Kaya.
Lately, Master Diluc has been working the bar at the Angel's Share every night. All I need you to do is keep him in your sight. Think you can manage that for me?
Yes, Captain Kaya. But does that mean that Master Diluc is the Dark Knight hero?
Who knows? It's just a hunch. I've been known to be wrong on occasion.
So, ini belum selesai.
Wow.
Kita ke
Paimon feels we saw a
Dawn
whole
Winery
new
lagi.
side of the Knights of
Banyak ya. Enggak.
Favonius today. But Paimon doesn't understand. How is Kaya so sure he knows who the Dark Knight hero is? We need to get to the winery and tell Master Diluc as soon as Paimonly possible.
Gas, kita ke Dawn Winery lagi. Sampai selesai quest ini. Habis itu baru kita gacha sekali ya teman-teman. Kira-kira udah cukup belum ya? Wah, dikit banget nih, cuma butuh 6 lagi kok. Kita harus selesaiin dulu, habis itu kita gacha sekali teman-teman. Soalnya di deck gue nih belum ada nih karakter bintang 5 ya sama sekali. Oke, cakep ya, environmentalnya aku emang cakep sih. Terus gue ngecek video-video orang lain juga kan tentang pengen lihat gitu kalau main di PC itu gimana. Pas di PC luar biasa nih cakepnya teman-teman. Ya semoga gue diberikan rezeki ya untuk ngembangin channel ini juga, jadi gue bisa beli laptop, entah PC, gue bisa mainin ini di sana. Maka dari itu teman-teman, please langsung like, comment, dan subscribe nih, supaya channel ini juga ikut berkembang dan kita semua juga berkembang nih teman-teman.
Master Diluc, Paimon has something important to tell you.
Yes, about Kaya. I should have known he would see this as the perfect opportunity to get back at me.
Sounds like there's a bit of bad blood between you guys then.
I shan't get into that now. More importantly, the Knights of Favonius are responding more or less as I had anticipated. All we need to do now is think of a counter plan. That won't work. It will only arouse the Knights' suspicion if I don't show up as they're expecting. That's what Kaya is counting on.
So what are we gonna do?
Patience. Let me think for a moment. If they intend to monitor me, then so be it. We can use this to create the perfect alibi.
What's an alabla? An alibi?
If you want to find out, maybe you can do me a small favor first.
Oh, come on! Why do you love cliffhangers so much?
In Mondstadt, mist flowers are most commonly found in a region just northwest of the winery. If you could gather some for me, I'd be most grateful. I will make other preparations here in the meantime.
Miss Flower ya, itu yang seingat gue tuh yang bunga yang bisa nyerang kita tapi pakai elemen elemen gitu loh. So aku udah banyak ngambil deh. North.
Time to act. Body and mind.
Gue ngeliat ada ini. Gue cara ngambil ya.
Time to act. Body and mind.
Kok nggak nemu ya? Apa ke sana ya? Belum bisa itu udah. Gue pengen tahu juga itu gimana cara ngambilnya. Dan yang di tengah-tengah itu ada apa ya?
Time to act.
Oke, kayaknya bunga itu ya teman-teman. Cuman berarti gue harus pakai api nih. Berarti gue pakai deck yang ada ambernya. Cuman buat apa? Buat ngambil ini.
No, my sword.
Nah, biarlah kalian meledak dulu. Nah, kan?
Surrendering will be gentle. You're in for a little shock.
Someone
Whoa.
needs assistance.
Oke, udah dapat 4. Kita kasih lagi ke Diluc. Oke, jalan kaki aja karena dekat. Keluarkan bang nggak enak ya teman-teman. Ini kayaknya efek cuaca sih. Gimana di cuaca di tempat-tempat kalian? Kalau di tempat gue sendiri sih hujan terus nih teman-teman. Gue nggak ngerti kenapa hujan terus. Hujannya kayak nggak tentu gitu. Tiba-tiba deras, tiba-tiba pelan. Aneh-aneh gimana gitu harusnya. Ini story quest tentang si Diluc ini agak panjang ya teman-teman.
Ah, you're back. Allow me to introduce the winery's master brewer.
So many mist flowers. Great. I can't wait to see how this turns out.
So, are you certain the equipment can withstand this level of purity?
Oh my goodness. The winery owner himself is addressing me directly. Don't worry, sir. It is always my honor to serve you, even if it means risking my life.
Huh? What's so life-threatening about this?
Please, excuse me. I must get to work.
What's he gonna do with a bunch of mist flowers?
Long story short, a few days ago, the winery was experimenting with some new flavors. They wanted to see if mist flower can truly add a crisp and refreshing taste. Sure enough, they discovered that the flower's extract is truly potent.
So the new batch is selling like hotcakes?
No, not potent in terms of attracting customers, but slimes. Slimes need to extract elemental energy to survive. For them, this substance is simply irresistible. So I thought to myself, I wonder how much trouble I could cause now that I know this.
Yikes! What was that noise?
Oh, cold. So cold. Oh, Master Diluc. Purification complete, sir. But the equipment is...
Marvelous work. Don't fret about the equipment. I shall have my butler order more immediately.
Marvelous! Jolly ho! Spiffing! Somebody fetch the butler! Paimon never knew you had to be so well-spoken to get a job in the alcohol industry.
This is what I was talking about. Mist flower extract. Or, for our purposes, elemental bait.
Wow! It really has a strong elemental whiff. Can we test it out?
Sprinkle a little on the ground over there. Careful, just a small amount.
Air gue udah naik segitu ya, dikit lagi sampai 23. Terus kita bisa mainin Archon Quest-nya lagi nih, teman-teman.
And then... that's it? How long does it take before... Holy moly, it really does attract slimes!
Ya kan?
And even more than
Hujan
we
lagi loh,
expected.
bayangin.
It appears the potency is greater than anticipated. We'd better get rid of them before they wreak havoc on the manor.
Go, go, Baron Bunny!
Gue belum
Rain
ngerti
outlines
karakter
your
gue.
fate. Witness the power of the rock.
Langsung aja pakai ultinya Xingqiu.
Get him! Steady as stone. No escape!
Wah,
Time to clean up. Ooh, such a powerful effect from such a small amount of extract. At least we didn't go picking wildflowers for nothing. All right, so can you tell us what your plan is now, Master Diluc?
Yes, the plan is... And so, I expect it to all go down without a hitch.
Are you sure it will work? You're the only person in the plan.
I have persevered alone from the start. Now, I alone must face what lies ahead.
Well, if you already made up your mind. But until that moment comes, we can still help you out where we can. Isn't that right?
I am indeed indebted to you. I shall see you at the tavern, as per the plan.
Let's wait until evening to meet Master Diluc at the tavern.
kita harus ke tavern lagi. Ini bolak-balik aja ya. Dan ternyata agak panjang cerita tentang Diluc ini ya. Gue liat udah mulai 50 menit. Cuman gue pengen nyesain dulu sebelum nanti kita lanjutin yang lainnya. Kayaknya dikit lagi selesai nih teman-teman. Semoga kalian gak bosen ya. Wow, salah pencet lagi kan. Time flies by when contemplating life, the universe, and everything. Benar sih. Kita ubah jamnya sampai ke jam 7 malam. See? Oke. Terus kita ngomong ke Diluc.
Greetings, Mr. Hoffman of the Knights of Favonius. To what do I owe the pleasure at this hour?
Oh, nothing. I'm merely procrastinating. I thought I might indulge myself with a beverage or two. Ah, traveler. Fancy meeting you here.
Oh, we were in the mood for an evening stroll.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have a dandelion wine, I suppose.
Ooh, Paimon wants apple juice. Aw, but Paimon forgot to bring her coin pouch. Do you have any more on you?
Then I must regretfully ask you to come back when you can pay.
Well, in that case, let this be my treat.
No need. We'll be back in a jiffy.
Live Tavern, kemungkinan besar kita akan bikin decoy ya, decoy jadi supaya dia itu kepancing untuk keluar dari si tavern ini. Kok gue bisa baca? Karena ini
Husband showed
kebaca.
up just as expected.
Baca lo teman-teman.
Okay, remember the plan? Go to the city's side gate and place the elemental bait.
Padahal di situ ada Knight of Favonius juga ya, masih ada.
Whoa! You used all of it! This is gonna be pretty epic. Yikes! Here comes the slimes! Quick, let's get to the tavern before anyone spots us!
Seven elements are found in Teyvat. Seven elements.
Captain Kaya is no doubt a formidable knight, but he also brings us more than his share of hassle. No, this isn't right. I should not be talking about my superior in such a manner. If he were to overhear me...
We're back! Is my apple juice ready?
One moment.
Mr. Huffman! Mr. Huffman! A situation at the side gate! Everyone to the side gate!
What is it? What happened?
It's... slimes, Mr. Huffman.
Slimes. You see them all the time. What's the big panic?
We do, but... Sir, there are more slimes out there now than all the slimes I've seen in my life added together.
Whoa!
Surely this couldn't be the Abyss Warder's secret weapon. But I have another matter to attend to here.
Oh? The matter of your dandelion wine?
No, that's not what I meant.
So this is how the Knights of Favonius conduct themselves in a crisis.
Gue suka banget nih muka-muka kayak gini nih, astaga, menyebalkan banget ya.
The Abyss Order is encroaching on the city gates, and your response is to sit here drinking wine? It's like I've always said, the Knights are not to be trusted.
Master Diluc is right. My conduct here has been below par. I shall set off at once. But first, may I have a quiet word?
Huh?
Shh, keep your voice down. I presume you know what this is about. Please watch Diluc for me. Do not let him leave under any circumstances. I must head to the side gate, but I'll be back shortly. I'm counting on you.
Good. That's him out of the way.
Everything's going according to plan.
I must get going too. I won't have a second to spare if I'm to be back in time.
Aduh, kepencet lagi loh. Menyebalkan banget ya. Ya mungkin itu salah satu yang gua tidak begitu suka ya. Suka kepencet gitu loh. Kadang-kadang suka kepencet apa ya? Ulti dari karakter gue tuh kan ada di samping ya kalau main tab ya. Suka kepencet. Jadi kadang-kadang gue gak mau pakai, itu gue kepencet gitu. Ini kita harus head to head sama Miss Order. Dan kemungkinan besar habis ini misinya selesai nih teman-teman.
Ah, there you are. Dealing with you will be the easy part.
Oh, salah gua.
I must leave no stone unturned.
Go, go, Baron!
Aduh, gue masih pakai Noel. Masih pakai Amber. Cakep ya. Masih banyak lah.
Ring cutter!
Nah bro, gue juga punya karakter kuat nih kayak Sing Chu ini.
Try not to enjoy this too much.
Wow, keren banget.
Come a little close.
Classic Master Diluc. Not a baddie left standing.
Nothing more than a few hilly churls. No time to chat. I don't know how long those slimes will keep Huffman occupied. Best get back to the tavern.
Ke tavern lagi. Sama Huffman.
Glad that's settled. Let's
Gue harus
get
ganti
back to
dulu
the
ya teman-teman,
tavern.
maaf. Sorry banget.
You think Huffman is back yet?
Jauh lebih enak pakai si Ender ini sekarang dibandingkan pakai Amber. Amber tuh kayak, sorry saya emang dia kurang banget sih kalau menurut gue sebagai karakter ya. Kalau Diluc emang enak banget sih. Ya kalau kita bisa dapet Diluc bagus lah ya. Nanti kalau kita gacha. Wherever you go, wherever life throws at you.
It seems Huffman hasn't yet returned. We made it in time.
The situation is sorted now. I never expected that the Abyss Order's army would turn out to be nothing more than a few slimes.
That is a surprise. Perhaps the Knight's true calling is to be slime exterminators. Who knows? Domestic pest control may turn out to be a more valuable use of your resources.
Master Diluc, please, have you no respect at all? How come you're sweating so much? You didn't leave, did you?
Ntar ya teman-teman. Ada sesuatu yang harus bisa.
Is it?
Gue lakuin ntar.
But if that's the case, why are you also out of breath?
Uh-oh, Huffman is getting suspicious.
Excuse me, sir. Might I be so bold as to inquire, did you see Master Diluc I mean, today's bartender. Did you see him leave just now?
Yikes! He's asking other customers. We're done for.
Oke, gue balik lagi.
Master D-Luke? Why, no. He's been behind the bar this entire time.
I see.
Mr. Huffman, your dandelion wine. You ought to get back after this. Send my regards to the rest of the knights.
Oh, never mind. I must be going. I should report back. Here. How odd.
Whew, that was too close. Paimon was sure we were toast.
I foresaw this eventuality. So, all the guests here tonight, save you two, are my own people from the Dawn Winery.
They're all in on it?
Not all of them. Or should I say, not all of us.
Kaya, where did you come from?
I just picked a good spot to quietly sit and watch the show.
What? You've been here this whole time?
Correct. The Dark Knight Hero's Alibi. I think it's my favorite chapter so far. More intriguing than a fine wine.
So, you plan to report everything to the Knights of Favonius?
Come now, D-Luke. You know me better than that. I have no interest in exposing secrets. I was just curious to see how far Mondstadt's Dark Knight hero would really go. And you did not disappoint.
I have nothing to prove to you.
Oh, naturally. I must say, though, one thing I didn't see coming is that the mighty Dark Knight hero would actually need help from other people.
Sorry, we're closing. Please see yourselves out.
All right, all right. I have no further need of wine to entertain myself tonight in any case. Just one last thing before I go.
It had better be the very last thing.
I feel strangely comforted by the fact you now have an assistant, D-Luke. I hope you all have a wonderful night.
What was all that about?
Don't mind him. Thank you for all your help with this matter. This is a token of my gratitude.
Wow! Thanks, Master D-Luke.
I'm in the habit of working alone. But I did enjoy having your assistance this time. In the future, if there's anything you ever need, you can come to me for help.
Selesai juga akhirnya. So, gue keluar dulu. Jadi Diluc kayaknya Diluc dan Kaya ini punya cerita lama ya, yang belum kita tahu. Cuma itu yang bikin gue penasaran sih. Jadi apa hubungannya Diluc dengan Knight of Favonius, terus Diluc dan Kaya ini kenapa? Karena seperti mereka ini kenal udah lama gitu teman-teman. Nah teman-teman, seperti yang tadi gue bilang, gue akan nge-pull ini. Jadi karena dia tinggal 4 jam 27 menit lagi, kita pull sekarang, oke. Semoga gue dapet bagus nih teman-teman. Oke. Semoga bentuk. Gue masih nggak dapet yang gold ya. Gue pengen banget dapet yang gold.
Hello, I'm Kachina, a member of the Children of Echoes.
Oke, Oke, dapat Kacina. Siapa itu Kacina? Gue juga nggak tahu nih teman-teman. Ini kita mainin aja ya. Kurang sih, tapi ya boleh lah. Oke teman-teman, kemungkinan besar gue akan berhentiin videonya sampai di sini. Baik lagi teman-teman, kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, please like, subscribe di channel gue agar channel gue berkembang, sehingga gue bisa mainin game-game yang lainnya dan menamatkan game-game lainnya juga. Dan please, kalau teman-teman punya tips and trick bermain Genshin yang cepat, gimana cara gue bisa naikin karakter gue, naikin AR gue, kalian please komen di video-video gue ya teman-teman, nanti gue akan lakuin itu. So, sampai jumpa di kesempatan selanjutnya ya. Bye-bye.